We're losing control. Mayday, Mayday. Flight 19, December 5th, 1945. 5 military planes vanished without a trace. 309 crew members of the SS Cyclops disappeared in 1918, leaving no wreckage. Over 1,000 lives have been lost to this mysterious region. What secrets does the Bermuda Triangle hold? Let's unravel the enigma. The Bermuda Triangle, stretching over 500,000 square miles in the North Atlantic Ocean, has baffled scientists, sailors, and pilots for over a century. Reports of unexplained disappearances, strange phenomena, and eerie survivor stories have turned this region into a legend. Are these incidents a result of natural phenomena, human error, or something beyond our understanding? Join us as we explore the science, stories, and myths behind this mysterious triangle. First Flight 19, 1945. A squadron of 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers on a routine training flight departed Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The last radio transmission recorded, "We can't tell where we are. Everything looks strange. Even the ocean doesn't look as it should." An extensive search operation involving over 300 planes and 21 ships found no trace. To add to the mystery, a rescue plane with 13 additional crew members sent to locate them also disappeared, leaving no debris behind. Second SS Cyclops, 1918. A colossal Navy cargo ship, 542 feet long, disappeared while traveling from Barbados to Baltimore. The ship carried 309 crew and passengers and vast quantities of manganese ore. Captain Worley's last message, "Weather fair, all well," was received just before it vanished. Despite extensive searches and investigations, no wreckage or evidence has ever been found. 3. Douglas DC-3, 1948. A passenger plane carrying 32 people, including Captain Robert Lindquist, went missing while approaching Miami, only 50 miles away. The pilot's calm final message, "Approaching Miami, everything okay," was followed by complete silence. Not a single trace of the aircraft or its passengers has been uncovered to this day. These incidents form the core of the Bermuda Triangle's enigma. How could entire vessels and planes vanish without a trace, often under normal weather conditions? What makes this region so unique and dangerous? To understand the Bermuda Triangle, let's dive into the theories, both scientific and speculative, that attempt to explain its mysteries. One of the most compelling explanations involves methane gas hydrates. Dr. Joseph Monaghan's groundbreaking research revealed how methane deposits beneath the ocean floor can erupt suddenly, releasing massive bubbles that reduce water's buoyancy. Imagine a ship caught above such an eruption. It could sink within moments, leaving no trace. This phenomenon has been simulated in laboratories, and the results are staggering. Another factor might be magnetic anomalies. Dr. Gian Quasar's studies suggest that variations in the Earth's magnetic field in this region could interfere with navigation systems. Pilots have reported compasses spinning wildly and instruments malfunctioning, leading to catastrophic disorientation. Watch this recreation of how navigation errors could lead planes off course into disaster. And then, there are rogue waves. These massive waves, sometimes over 100 feet high, can form unexpectedly due to intersecting weather systems and ocean currents. Dr. Simon Boxall explains, rogue waves are strong enough to snap large vessels in half. They are rare, but devastating. In the Bermuda Triangle's unpredictable waters, they may play a significant role in unexplained disappearances. But what if the explanations go beyond natural phenomena? Survivors' accounts fuel theories of time warps and extraterrestrial involvement. Consider Bruce Jernan, a pilot who encountered what he described as a time tunnel in 1970. His instruments malfunctioned, and he suddenly found himself 100 miles from his expected position. Bruce described it vividly. "I flew into a strange white cloud. My instruments went haywire. Minutes later, I was somewhere entirely unexpected." Scientists have debated whether unusual atmospheric conditions or electromagnetic disturbances could explain his experience. Then, there are claims of UFO sightings and mysterious lights. Could extraterrestrial activity be involved? Witnesses have reported glowing orbs and unidentified craft in the skies over the triangle. While skeptics argue these are misidentified natural phenomena, the stories continue to capture imaginations worldwide.
1. Bruce Guernon's flight. In 1970, Bruce Guernon, flying a Beechcraft Bonanza, encountered what he described as a cloud tunnel. Instruments malfunctioned, visibility dropped to zero, and minutes later, he found himself inexplicably 100 miles from his intended position. I felt like I traveled through another dimension, he later recounted. 2. Paula Weldon, survivor of the 1955 shipwreck near the Triangle. She recounts, I clung to a piece of debris for hours. The ocean felt alive, tugging and twisting me like a plaything. I don't know what saved me. It's a miracle I'm alive. Mental condition of survivors. Survivors often report symptoms like post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, recurring nightmares, and an overwhelming sense of dread. Psychologist Dr. Evelyn Carter explains, their experiences often involve elements of sensory confusion, amplifying feelings of helplessness and fear. Whether it's methane eruptions, magnetic anomalies, rogue waves, or something beyond our comprehension, the Bermuda Triangle remains an enduring mystery. While many incidents have logical explanations, the unanswered questions and survivor stories keep its legend alive. What do you think? Is the Bermuda Triangle a misunderstood scientific phenomenon, or does it truly hide secrets waiting to be uncovered? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to explore more mysteries on Paradox Explored.